Hello, 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 and welcome to my abode. I am Tracy. Please have a seat, get comfortable, and enjoy yourself. If you like what you see, please subscribe, but please hit that like button.
A few moments later.
Hello, everybody. How are you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts with Tracy. I want to do a little switching in the kitchen today. I want to do a little cooking. I've been seeing this recipe on the internet in various styles, various different things that people are using, but it is a sweet potato. No. Collard green stuffed sweet potato. Yes, and I want to try it. So I got some collard greens from my daughter-in-law a little while ago, and I have chopped those. I've washed them and chopped those up, so those are ready. And I got sweet potatoes, but you know they're the garden potatoes, so they're skinny. So get you a big sweet potato, you know, the larger size. I'm improvising and going to use what I have. I haven't been out to the grocery store in several weeks. It calls for tomatoes. I don't have fresh tomatoes, so I'm using a can of stewed tomatoes that have green chilies in them. Onions, sliced onions, crushed garlic, chopped garlic, vegetable broth, chicken broth, whatever broth you want to use. I don't have any broth, so I made some chicken bouillon. And then your spices: salt, pepper, cumin, smoked paprika, and crushed red peppers if you like. But I don't know how spicy it's going to be with my green chili peppers in the tomatoes. So we shall get started. Hold on. This is going to be interesting. And then it also calls for chickpeas. Now, we're not using those, okay? I don't eat chickpeas, and that mixture, it's already a weird combination with sweet potato and collard greens, but we're going to see how this tastes. So let's get started. Okie dokie. He calls for large sweet potatoes. This is what I have. These are garden size. And I've had them in my pantry for a little while. So, you know, I had to cut the little pieces and whatnot off. And I'm not putting them in the oven. That takes about an hour or so. So they're going in the air fryer. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to get those taken care of. And then we're going to start with the other ingredients. Let's start with some avocado oil. I don't have avocado oil, so I'm using grapeseed oil and a little bit of olive oil. And you add your sliced onions, and you cook those until they're translucent. And my onions sprouted and started to grow, you know, the green part, and I chopped that up too. So I'm going to put these in here. And cook until translucent. And I have quite a bit of onions because I have 2 large bunches of collard greens. Okay, now while that is cooking, you add your spices in. I'm not measuring, I'm just going to add. So, smoked paprika. It doesn't come out fast enough for me, so I tend to do like this. I love smoked paprika. I'm heavy-handed on the spices. Salt, and I'm not going to use much, but I use sea salt. And just salt to taste. That should be good. We'll see. You can always add a little more. Ground cumin. And I'm almost out of this. This is the last of it, so I'm probably going to use all of it. Yeah, I might as well. Toss that in the recycle. Black pepper. Let me stir it up. And to this you'll add your chopped garlic. Now after this cooks down a bit, just until the onions become translucent, then you'll add your tomatoes. And if I had fresh tomatoes, that's what I would add, but I don't have them. And I am improvising. Make it do what it do. So we'll let that saute. Now you'll add your greens. So I have quite a bit here, and you know they'll cook down. Well, that's all I can get in there for right now. You add your greens, and you put your tomatoes in. And add your vegetable stock, chicken stock, beef stock, whatever you want to use. But I'm adding my chicken bouillon, a cup. Stir this up a little bit, the best you can, and let it, put a top on it, continue to stir every now and then, and let it cook for about an hour. So I will be back. And when they cook down, I'm going to add the rest of the greens. It's looking really good and smelling delicious, but we have at least another 45 minutes to go, 40 minutes. I just want to stir it up again before I put this top on. Turn the heat down and let it simmer for that hour. Well, 40 minutes or so. See what we got going on here. They are done and looking good. All the juice has sauteed out. There's just a little bit in there. Look at that, look at that. Okay, okay. So, and of course the sweet potatoes are done. I don't know if you can't see them over there. Let me turn that camera up just a little bit. Yeah. So, Hunter, this is what I got from a garden. Okay, we're going to make it do and make it work. So I have one that I split open, and I'm just going to put a couple of pats of butter in there. Put your butter in. That's 1 and 2. Let's crunch that open a little bit. We're going to grab some of this green mixture. Greens and onions and tomatoes and garlic and spices. And we're going to stuff that joker. We're going to stuff it, stuff it, stuff it. Like that. Is that enough? I got more potatoes. I can go back at it. So, let's see what this is tasting like. I am so curious. Now, let me give you just a little close-up. I don't know if my lighting is good or not, but there it is. And I am not by far going to be rude. So let me get some of this on the fork for you. And taste that. Taste that for me and tell me what you think. Okay? Now, is it good? I'm going to taste it. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Let's see. It's very flavorful. I don't think I got enough sweet potato. I did taste a little bit. The greens are good, though. All right, let me get just a little bit more. Just a little bit. Let me just get that much greens, and let me get some of that sweet potato on there. This is different. This is different. Okay, we're going to try like that. Let's see. It's one different combination. But I tell you what, I'm going to eat it. I'm going to put this on all those little sweet potatoes over there. and not all at one time. You know, I got a few left. I got plenty of greens, and try it. I forgot the name of the gentleman. I put it in the description. The one that I actually followed. I saw a couple recipes, and I kind of, you know, I did my own thing. I didn't have everything he had, but it's on Instagram, and it looked delicious. Mine is delicious. Thumbs up, okay? Deuces. See you later. Bon appetit. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.